how to enable the web search in Codex. So first, if you're using the Codex CLI or the command line tools, you want to open up the terminal in your project directory or the PowerShell. For example, you can hold down Shift and then right click and open PowerShell. Now in PowerShell, you can type codex space -- search to enable the web search, and then you can type your prompt. And once you execute this, it will perform a web search. You can also enable it from the config file. So this method is per session, and the config file is permanent for all the sessions. You can basically access the config file by opening the run, right click on start button and then run. Then type %sign user profile %sign and press OK. Then open up .codex folder, and then you should find config.toml file here. Edit this file with a text editor, and then simply just run or add at the end of it features and then web search, or if you have it already, you can add it directly under features, and then just save this and close the file. Now what you'll need to do is restart Codex or the CLI tool if it's open. And once you open up Codex, this will basically permanently enable the web search feature. Codex also decides when to use web search based on your prompts. So for example, if you prompt it for something like what's the latest stable version of React, it will basically trigger a web search automatically, regardless of you specifying it. And if it still doesn't search, you can basically try upgrading your Codex app or CLI. You can also run these commands such as enable web search request. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.